YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another subtle upgrade to the Toyota Tundra TRD PRO. Stay tuned. I live in the state of California where no one likes to give way and also love to tailgate you. That being said, I was in search for a hitch step that, one, the convenience of getting into the back of your truck, two, to help mitigate the potential risks of getting rear-ended, three, help deter ones from tailgating you. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's present to you Tyger! Yay! Anyways, those three main reasons that I mentioned earlier, I opted for Tyger Hitch Step. This Tyger Hitch Step had hundreds of good reviews. Like I said, hundreds of good reviews, right? Enough with the introduction. Let's get this baby open. I believe this is where the hardware is. Let's open it. Wow, check this out, guys. This thing is hefty. Well, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Tyger Hitch Step. Thank you for watching.